skies flicker and fade, dust on the bones of yesterday, but we still breathe. Jackal in the shadows, gold eyes in the night. Wolfie by your side, yeah, we ready to fight. Same damn hunger, same damn scars. Two wild souls under broken stars. We ran through fire to blood, through pain. Watched whole worlds just decay again. But every time the darkness came, you said my name, I stayed the same. Bodies break but we don't die. New skin, same fire in our eyes. Time keeps trying to erase, but it can't touch what we became. We ReSleeve, we rise again. New flesh but the same old sin. Wolf and Jackal, heart to heart. Even death can't tear us apart. As the old world fades away, we still run, we still stay. Through the static, through the pain, we come back again, again. Cities call my names, get lost. Memories fade, but not the cost. Every life we leave behind, still got your soul locked into mine. Different faces, Jackal. Same love underneath the features. Every sleeve, every skin, still feel you underneath it. Ume wo koete, kimi to ikiteku.